Dad would whistle when he walked through the shop so everybody'd work. So most of the guys there would learn to whistle like he did, so they didn't know if it's him or somebody else, so people worked hard. He had no thought of ever not succeeding. After you come back alive from any kind of war like that, you have no fear. You know everything's gonna be fine. As long as you have your health, money doesn't matter, which is his favorite sayings.
My granddad never thought, I want this company to last forever. He literally just got up and did his job every day. He was resilient, he worked, he took care of people, and then the rest of it kind of comes.
He loved to talk and loved to be with people. He just liked all that stuff that makes you whole. You know, he believed in God and he believed in family, he believed in everybody that worked over there. It was a wonderful place to grow up. He was gonna sell used cars, but there just weren't any. So he and his dad started selling lumber into Houston. Some of the farmers in town wanted cattle racks, so he started building cattle racks and things for the farms, and then it kind of morphed into feed trailers and feed bodies and stuff.
He innovated his life as he went on. I mean, he fixed problems for people through design and through engineering and through different products that we created here.
Dad could draw anything and we could build it. All the technology, you know, he built a chicken catcher, nobody else had ever done that. And because of that, we could hire wonderful people in a good community and run it. Well, it's all about the people.
The people at Ledwell are the story. I mean, they haven't just shaped it. They are why we can do what we do. We talk about this circle where you take care of your employees and your people, they take care of the customers keep buying so we can take care of the community and our people come from the community. So it's this kind of continuous circle, and that's how we keep doing it. You take care of them and they will take care of everything else.
The more you give, the more it comes back. It truly works that way.
When you're embedded in a community like we are, it's part of your family too. So you just take care of what you need to take care of.
We built a training center for workplace, and you go to there and you learn a trade. You learn either electricity or mechanicing or whatever you want to learn. When you get out, you're very hireable.
Companies have their mission statements, their values, and they've done it for decades. We didn't actually write ours down until a few years ago. But it was so easy once we started doing it, because these values were the ones that started 80 plus years ago with my granddad. The quality in the product, that was huge for him and really big for Dad as well. The grit, like my granddad's work ethic was second to none. Then the family, the treating each other like family, and the legacy. That's the idea. We're gonna keep going and keep moving forward, building off of what the people before us have done.
Quality, service, product, that's what Ledwell means. I mean, that's what the Ledwell Made thing means, is the fact that we're all there all the time getting it done. The parts guys do their job, the machine people do their job, the people in the shops weld it up correctly, we mount it. We service it totally. We're 100% in the game with the customers forever.
If my grandfather was here today, I think he'd just be tickled. He'd be so happy at what we're doing, at the growth, and the people that are still here and still doing what we do, and the new ones we've brought up. His favorite thing was to see like kids develop into, you know, true craftsmen and people with skill sets. So he'd be giddy. He'd be so happy.
I think he'd be really proud of it. I think we have been able to keep that culture and keep that momentum going and keep all the things that matter working. I do. Well, I was telling you one of my favorite things, but about 2 or 3 months ago, I was in Albertsons buying some groceries and I had a Ledwell hat on, and a woman looked up and says, "You work there?" And I said, "Yes, ma'am." She said, "That's the place in Texarkana where all the young men go to learn to work." And it really hit me. I mean, that was cool. I read all the books, all the business books, all the stuff, and nobody says anything different. It says when you do what's right, you win. That's all you got to do.